Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and in this video I'll show you how to change the air filter on a 2009 Ford Cmax with a 2 litre petrol engine. So let's get started. So here's the airbox on the near side of the car near the passenger's headlight, and it's got 4 8mm bolts I've just shown you what we need to remove. So we'll start with the first one. They're not very tight, so just crack them open. Make sure your ratchet going the right way. Just whip them out. This is a fairly quick process. Probably get it done in under 10 minutes. This video is going to be in real time, so this is going to be the full process with no edits at all. Apart from a brief little bit I'll edit out when I go fetch the new air filter. Yeah, you get this job done in about 10 minutes. So that's the first 8mm removed. Here's the second one. I find it easier to completely remove the front two, and in the back two I'll only partially remove, just get them out of the bottom of the housing of the airbox. That way it goes back in a lot easier. As you can see, we're on to the third one already. We're only about a minute into the video. Once you get out, just loosen it up. And we'll move on to the last one, which is slightly harder. Sometimes you have to move the battery box just to give you access. And just wiggle around, get past the little cable there. And then we're on to the fourth one now. Yeah, it just whips off, nice and simple. Will you get it loose enough? Just quickly finish it off by hand. The fourth one's the hardest one to get to. It's right in the corner here, and there's a cable running past it. It's not too difficult really at all. And there we go. The airbox is coming up now. Or at least the lid of the airbox is coming up. And now that's off and out of the way. Now we can see our lovely air filter. This one is quite dark and black. It's really got as many worth out of this one. See, it just lifts up and pops off, and as you can see, really filthy. Now here comes the new one. You can see it's still in a bag. We'll quickly whip it out the bag, and we'll get it back installed. There is a little ridge at the back that I'm just about to show you. There's a ridge on the back of the air filter, which I'm also going to show you. And you just line that groove up with the ridge with the groove, and pop it in, as you can see. It always helps to put a bit of an angle first, and it'll pop in at the front. And then you just line it up at the back. And I'll just show you quickly that it's all lined up at the back here. Nice and simple really. Put the camera back down and we'll get the lid back on. Just pick it up, there's the lid. I did have to slightly adjust the bottom of the back. Just because it wasn't it was too far down, so we needed to pull it up a bit. You'll see me do that in just a moment. There you go, just pull it up a bit, just get it out of the way. Get it threaded into the top bit of plastic. Just so that we can easily fit the airbox down. And it's a matter of lining up the corners of the airbox, get it all nice and down. Now the lid's back in place, in the proper place, we'll start tightening down these 8mm bolts. There's only 4 of them, it's really quite a quick process really. So now we'll go to the back one. This is the most difficult one, the fourth one. Just quickly tighten it down. You just always seem to nick the 8mm, and all of the ones I've done, we'll always try and leave the 8mm behind like it has there. Just go back in and quickly wiggle it off. Now we'll move on to the third one, or we'll do down the second one on the reinstalling procedure. But yeah, it's just going down relatively nicely. Now we'll get the front two back. Make sure we get them in the right spot. I don't think they're lengthed, but it's always wise to put the bolts back where you got them from. So yeah, just tighten these down. So this is the first one we undid, and now the third one we're doing back up. Again, I haven't got a ratchet on here just yet. I have got a ratchet still on, so I didn't see it in my hand, but yeah. Nice and tight, and we'll move on to the next one. All you really need for this is a 1/4 inch ratchet and a couple of extensions and an 8mm socket, and you can get this done. Nice quick easy job that anyone can do at home. And once you get this tightened down, the job's done. And that's how you change the air filter on a 2009 Ford Cmax with a 2 litre petrol engine. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.